Hello beauties, and you know what time it is. We're gonna get into beauty tries and beauty goals of the month. So my first beauty try of the month, I got these Crayola body wash pens. So when I tell you these are a must have, like, of course it's not big, it doesn't last long, but if you want to get something that's invigorating and really just tickle your senses, then I suggest you grab you one of these Crayola body wash pens. Next up, you guys know I bought the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies. This is their PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner in watermelon. So it's hydrating and pore refining. This works really good with my skin. Actually, the whole line it's really good. And so I'm going to be using more of it, and I ran out of the toner very quickly versus the other products, and so had to give me more. So one of my favorite beauty tries of the month, and I can't wait to get more of the products. Next we have Unicorn Snot Cosmetic Grade Glitter. I can't wait to try this. We are entering into spring, and I think that this would be a nice touch to a spring look, so I can't wait to try it. I don't know if it specifies if it's just for the lips. It says apply over your favorite cosmetic primer. Okay, so this is supposed to be for it's for the lips, but we'll see if you can use it for eyeshadow too. But I do like how pigmented it is. I'm not gonna take it out today because I don't want to swatch it today. Elf, their liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is looks like it's gonna be really nice, really fun. I should have had this for my senior e-girl makeup. My next beauty try of the month, I got this because of the shape of the bottle. Look how cute that is. You cannot tell me that's not just the cutest. Shapy. That's what I'm gonna call it. This smells so good. I mean, oh my goodness. It just smells. It has like a perfume scent to it. It's like a lotion that once you try it, you're gonna want to keep buying it. Next we have Rempure Tea Tree Mint Body Wash. Now, I was being cheap when I bought this because it's not my first time trying it. It's not as strong as some of the other tea tree body washes that I like. But I'm on a budget and I have tea tree oil, so I was going to get a couple drops added into this to spice it up a little bit. And so, Rempure for the win. It is really affordable. I think it's like $6. Next, we have French Rose Mineral Me Exfoliate and Cleansing. These are sugar cubes. So I've tried these this month. I think that sugar cubes last way longer than what normal scrubs do. It just smells so fresh. Like, yes, I love it. I am trying this for the first time. Maybe it's time for me to have a baby, but I am obsessed with how babies smell, and so I use baby oil gel. I've been using baby oil gel for years, but I finally got me some baby lotion. And no, this is not a designer. This is dollar baby lotion. It's by Paracara, but it smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. I try not to use it all the time, but it does smell amazing. So I just got this, but I've only used it a couple times. Next we have Soap and Glory Call of Fruity. Y'all, man, if you haven't tried this yet, like, you really need to get this in your life. Like, I love body washes that has like a really strong invigorating scent. I don't really like, I'll do a really cheap body wash, I don't mind, but I don't like body washes that don't have a smell to them. This smells so good. A must have. So that's all I have for my beauty tries of this month. Beauty goals. Your girl didn't get rid of anything. Nothing ran out that I had to throw away. But trust me, just because nothing ran out this month, everything gonna run out next month. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, like and comment and let me know what you're gonna get, what you're gonna try from my beauty tries this month. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell so you stay up to date with the latest beauty content that I have for you. So thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video.